If you're looking on how to make a blogging cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I just want to let you know that congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end of the video to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below, if you're interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a blogging niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we could draw some inspiration from. Let's switch to viewer mode and start investigating on YouTube. So now we need to go into a viewer's perspective. What would someone look up if they were interested in the blogging niche? Now as I put in beauty blogs in the search, I want to scroll down to see a video that doesn't have a face in the content. Let's check this one out. By starting off the video, I could already see that the channel is already giving credit to and that the blog has already been given credit to as well. So it shows you information on what the blog is already talking about. Now it's talking about how the model can apply the technique that they were talking about in the blog. So the creator put forth together a montage of just the blog articles and just some tutorials on how to apply the makeup for this beauty blog. There is also most likely a voiceover going on as well. As you can see, homegirl's doing a thing, you know, doing her best to look dolled up. As we scroll down from this video, you can see that this video has over 90,000 views. The channel itself has over 4 million subscribers, and there is also some decent amount of comments. So that does mean that people are engaging with the content. Now let's check out the channel to see what kind of videos that they are producing. So I see Miss Mojo, Nostalgia to Now. Let's see what we got going on. So I see just by looking at the popular upload section that this is most likely a top 10 type of channel. As they are talking about top 10, you know, singers who dance, actresses, some pop songs as well. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite blog article about? Now let's see how the monetization is going. Let's see how many views the channel is getting, how much money they're making through ad revenue. So if we go into this website, we could check out the channel stats. As I scroll down, we could see that this channel per 30 days is gaining over 31 million views, and that's just in the past month. That tells me that there's a large audience interested in the type of content that this channel is producing. We can also see that the channel is getting over 100,000 just throughout the month, and just to go in over their yearly revenue, they're getting over 1 million in just one source of income through ad revenue by you just watching the ads that come up on the videos. The chances of you going viral with one of your videos or several of your videos are very realistic. If you're enjoying the video so far, leave a like down below. Now let's see how easy these videos are to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like putting your blog together, with your heading, valuable information, and call to action. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to decide, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or the red light? I would say that the blogging niche does get the yellow light. And all that means is that you can still be successful with this niche. You just need to take into consideration some of these things. There is a demand for videos that talk about blogging. All you have to do is be really creative with the way that you present your material. The plus side is that you could literally turn any piece of written information, any article, any blog post into a YouTube video. I see a lot of creators on YouTube actually show their face and talk about it, but that's not what YouTube automation is about. So you can still be successful, just be more creative with how you approach your videos. The plus side is that these videos are very easy to make. YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche as well. Now the videos that we went over and made in this video, I would highly recommend for you to use as inspiration and try not to copy them. Be as creative as you can when you're creating your content. This is also just one niche, so if it is or if it isn't for you, don't worry about it because we're going to be exploring even more niches in future videos. Now let's say the blogging niche is for you. You have two options now. Option A, you can do it yourself. You also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're trying to figure out how to do YouTube correctly. Or you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If this is something you'd be interested in, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to Tube Grade if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.